Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Deep Driving. If you don't know, my name is Shuali, and I drive and I think about things that pop into my head or conversations that I've had with people or experiences that have happened in workshops or my classes, and I share with them, and we get a little deep sometimes. This conversation is dedicated to a friend of mine that I go to WrestleMania with every year, only if the roof of the stadium is open, because I don't like enclosed spaces. It's very specific. And we were having a conversation about how when he goes to WrestleMania, his way of being is different. Meaning he's bolder, he's more powerful, he's riskier, because nobody knows who he is and nobody knows what he's about. He takes on this way of being that I call Mr. WrestleMania, which is based on another popular wrestler named Shawn Michaels, who his name is Mr. WrestleMania because he performs at WrestleMania amazingly, or used to. And his way of being is magical. And then when WrestleMania is over, he goes back to his other way of being, and he didn't even realize that, and I kind of didn't realize that as well. So my invitation to you is, when you go on vacation, let's start with that. When you go on vacation, are you a different way of being? Are you a different person? Do you act different? When you maybe have a slight inebriation or intoxication or something that chemically changes you, how are you? And do you like yourself better that way? And why do you need that thing? Because maybe you let yourself get down with your guard, and then you become the way of being that you really want. So my invitation to you is, why not be that way of being more and more? Because it doesn't matter if you're worried about being judged, because you're constantly going to be judged anyway. So why not be judged by being the way that you want to be, instead of being afraid of being judged by the way that you really aren't that way? Does that make sense? All right, well, just think about it. Share, let me know if you like it. Pass it on to your friends, or unsubscribe, whatever you want to do. Love you guys. Bye.